2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, power side view mirrors. This is a top-rated dealer. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.